HCF and LCM. The HCF, or highest common factor of two or more numbers, is the largest number they share as a factor. So it's the biggest number really that goes into two numbers. The lowest common multiple, LCM, of two or more numbers is the smallest numbers for which they are both factors of, or all factors of. And the best way to show how to find this is by doing an example. So write down the HCF and LCM of 12 and 20. Well, first we should do the prime factor decomposition for both of these numbers. And 12 can be written as 2 times 2 times 3. And 20 can be written as 2 times 2 times 5. What we do then is we draw two overlapping circles. In the left hand circle we're going to put all the prime factors for 12, and in the right hand circle we're going to put the prime factors for 20. Now with the overlap we're going to put the numbers which both, or the prime numbers which both share as factors. Now if we look at 12 we've got a 2, and if we look at 20 we've got a 2, so we can put a 2 in there. Let's get rid of them. But we look again, we've also got another 2 that they both got, so I can put another 2 in this overlap and get rid of that. If we look at the 12 now, we've still got this 3 left over, and we're going to put that in the non-overlapped part of the circle. Similarly for the 20 we've still got this 5, so we're going to put the 5 in the non-overlapped part of the circle. Now to find the HCF, the highest common factor, we multiply everything in the overlap. So this is where we read the HCF from. At the moment we've got 2 times 2, or we've got 2 2s, so it's 2 times 2, so the highest common factor is 4. The lowest common multiple, LCM, we multiply every number in the diagram. So it's 3 times 2 times 2 times by a 5. So that's, I'll keep it in black. 3 times 2 is 6, times by 2 is 12, times by 5 is 60. So the lowest common multiple is 60. Now if you don't like doing it that way, you can do it by writing down factors of the two numbers and then comparing. So we do for 12 factor pairs, so it's 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. And for 20 it's 1 and 2 and 10, 4 and 5. Highest common factor is the biggest number which appears in both lists, and we can see, same as before, it's the number 4. For the lowest common multiple, the best way is to go in multiples of the larger number and look for the first one, which is also a multiple of the smaller number. So 20, go up in multiples of 20, so we're looking for ones where 12 will also go into. So 20, no, 12 won't go into it. 40, no, 12 won't go into it. 60, yes. We can divide that by 12 to get 5. So we get the same answer from before. The LCM is 60. Let's do one more. So HCF and LCM of 36 and 90. And prime factor decomposition, 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And for 90 it's 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Again, draw our overlapping circles. Oops. Look for things they both share. So 36 has got a 2, and 90's got a 2. So we can get rid of one of them. Now we look at 36, that's got a 3, and 90's got a 3, so we can put a 3 in. But we look again, 36 has got a 3 and 90's got another 3, so we can put 2 3s in this overlap. And what's left, the 36 needs another 2, so we'll put that in the unoverlapping bit. Oops, should have really identified this. This one's for 36 and this one's for 90. And the 90 still needs a 5, which we'll put here. The HCF is the bit in the overlap. So we've got 2 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, times 2, so 18 is the highest common factor they both share. And the LCM, we need to multiply everything together. I'm going to do everything in black here. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. we could cheat here, you don't have to keep multiplying all together. If you look at this circle, that is 90. So we just need to multiply 90 by what else we've got left. It's 2, so it's 180, the LCM. As always, if you prefer, you could write these down as factors. Write down factor pairs and just compare them. So the first one was, we're doing 36 and 90. So 36 factor pairs are 1 and 36, 2, 18, 3, 12, 4, 9, 6 and 6. And for 90, oh dear, 1 and 90, 2 and 45, 3 and 30, 4 doesn't, 5 and 18, 6 and 15, 7 doesn't, 8 doesn't, 9 and 10. Highest common factor, biggest number in both lists, and we can see, yep, it's 18. Then to look for the lowest common multiple, go up in multiples of the larger number. 90, can't divide that by 36. 180, yes, we can divide that by 36, because we get 5.